In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete all products from Shopify. Before we start, make sure you're absolutely certain you want to remove these products. This process is permanent for most stores, and once the products are gone, it can be very hard to get them back unless you've already exported or backed them up. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to first export your products from Shopify so you have a CSV copy saved on your computer. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you can manage your store. From the left-hand menu, look for the products section and click on it. This will open the main products page where you can see a list of everything currently in your store. At the top of this page, you'll see a tab called All, which means you're viewing all products. Just underneath that, on the left side of the table, there's a small white checkbox above your first product. Click that checkbox. This will select all the products that are currently visible on the page. If you have more products than fit on one page, Shopify will usually show a message at the top saying something like, "All X products on this page are selected," along with an option to select all products in your store. Make sure you click that link if you truly want to delete everything, not just what's on the first page. Once everything is selected, look to the top right area of the product list for the 3 vertical dots, often called More Options. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Delete Products. Go ahead and click that. Shopify will now show you a confirmation window. This is your last chance to cancel if you clicked by mistake or changed your mind. Take a moment to double check that you're deleting the correct items, especially if you only intended to remove a specific set of products. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the delete button in the confirmation window. Shopify will process the request, and after a short moment, your product list will refresh. You should now see an empty products page confirming that